Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video on TSeller. And we are very excited to announce that we have integrated Makro as well into TSeller. TSeller can now integrate Takealot, your website, Shopify, as well as Makro and soon to be Amazon as well. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to connect Makro so that you can actually see all your offers, your orders, and just see everything in one central point directly on TSeller. So obviously, the first thing you want to do is open TSeller on the web, and then you also want to open a Makro tab already logged into your Makro account. Please note you need to be the owner of the Makro account. So log in with the owner details. You can't use a secondary user, otherwise it won't work. So then what we're going to do is we're going to come over to TSeller at the top right. We're going to click on account settings, and then we're going to click on more integrations right here. Once we've clicked on more integrations, we have Takealot, WooCommerce, Shopify, and now Makro as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Makro. We're going to click on the connect button. So we're now on step one. We need to do our API credentials. So the first thing you're going to do is click on this open developer access, and it's going to open the developer portal right next to your Makro tab that is open right now. We need to get the API key as well as the secret key and the default address key. So let's start off by the API key. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Makro developer page that I just opened, and we're going to click on create new. So then the application name, you're just going to copy everything from TSeller, going to copy and paste everything over, and then you're going to click on submit. Once you've clicked on submit, it will open up right in front of you. I have 3 now because I've just been experimenting with it, but you will only have 1. Then you'll see the API keys right at the top. You're just going to click on copy. Then what you're going to do is going to go back to TSeller, paste the API key. Now we need the secret key as well, which you can get right here by clicking on this button. And then lastly, we need the LOC code. And you can find that by going to your account, manage profile, go to your account, and then your pickup address. You can get it right here. So you just copy this code here, the LOC, paste it in, and then we are going to click on the bottom. We're going to click verify and connect. So now we get to step 2. So we have created the sync now, but now we need to add a secondary user for TSeller on Makro that it can actually pull all the information into TSeller. So what you're going to do is you can click on this button right here. It's going to open your Makro portal if you don't have it open anymore. Then you can go to manage profiles, all the way at the bottom, manage users, and then you're going to click on add new user. The role is going to stay admin. Then we need to give it a name. So you can just copy this from TSeller. Then we need an email ID, which you also get from TSeller. You need to copy this exactly how it is. And then a phone number. So you can put your personal phone number, that's fine, or you can put your company phone number. It doesn't have any effect. So once you've saved it, now we need to go back to TSeller, and then we need to click on continue. And we now say the status is ready. So what we're going to do is just click on connect store. So just give this a moment. It usually takes around a minute and a half, and then it will show you a pop-up on the screen once it's done. And then we can go and continue and look at everywhere Makro is integrated into TSeller now. So we just got the pop-up now saying your Makro store has been connected successfully. It took around 30 seconds, not even a minute, but obviously depending on your account size, it can be bigger. What we're going to do now is we're going to go click on back to dashboard. So now that we are on the dashboard, we can see that Makro is integrated right here. So I'm going to switch to 7 days, and we'll be able to see the Makro sales in yellow. You can toggle it on, you can toggle it off, you can look at Takealot, only Makro. So however you want to filter it, how you can see it, you can do that. So you can view it directly from a dashboard, and then you also have the offers page. So you can go to your offers. This is Takealot offers. So top right, click on Takealot, then go to Makro, and you now can see all your Makro offers or all the listings that you have on Makro. You can edit the prices, you can edit the stock on hand, And if your offers are not showing here, it means the sync hasn't been completed. So all you need to do is click on the sync button again, and it will automatically go and pull all of the info from your macro account again. So you can see your offers, and then also you can look at your orders. So if we go to the top, we can go to orders. You can see all your orders, and you can filter by macro, or you can just obviously scroll through them and look where they are. But you can see them macro, macro, macro. They are all labeled. So TSeller can now obviously let you show everything in one place. You can see your Takealot, macro, website sales, everything in one place. And it makes it so much easier because now you don't have to log into multiple portals to see what's going on. We will be expanding on where macro is integrated everywhere and bring it back into profitability analytics as well. But for now, this is where macro is. You guys can integrate it, you can check all your sales, and it is working. Thanks so much for watching the macro integration. Hopefully you guys are now fully aware on how to do it, and hopefully it wasn't too difficult. If you did not understand, just go again, watch the video, but it should be straightforward if you just follow along. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. Click the subscribe button. I would also appreciate that. And I hope to see you guys in the next videos going forward.